How to save an item on Temu application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily save an item to purchase it later on Temu application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Temu application on your device. After that, to save a particular item on Temu, simply choose one. I will choose this watch here, and as you can see the option of add to cart, simply click on it, and now you need to choose the type of watch which you want to save. I will choose the black one and then click on add to cart. To view it later, you can simply click on cart and then you will be able to see the item. Now, even when the offer or the item is out of stock, this item will remain in your cart. So that's it. That is how easily you can save an item on Temu application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.